Hello everyone, we'll learn today internal CSS and uh, text decoration property having four values. Okay, we'll learn that. To declare any internal CSS. Now what is internal CSS? Internal CSS is used when you want to apply a same style to that selector in the only on same single page on a current document where you had declared style tag and you had declared all the style properties to that tag. Okay, now here the style tag is used, you have to declare in head section, and wherever you had written, now I had used here CSS style for H1 and A tag. A stands for anchor tag, H1 stands for heading, highest level heading. So whenever I am using here H1, that text decoration property will get affected here, and A tag. Okay, we'll see now four values. There are four values, so today we'll learn in the four values of text decoration, that is underline, overline, line through and none. So we'll see first underline. What is the output of underline? So this is the output of underline text decoration values. Now we'll see next value, that is we will see another value, line through, line, put dash, sorry, line, then search that hyphen here, not getting that hyphen, line through, okay, line is remaining here. Okay, now save, run. See, line through is just like scratching, so the text is been scratched, that is strike through, you can see. Next value we'll see. So this is another value of text decoration property. So we had seen with underline, line through and overline. Overline means above the text you will get that line. Okay, save it. See, this line is above the text, this black line. Now we'll see none. None means now here A tag stands for anchor tag. So I had used here AHREF. So we get by default hyperlink. Okay. So how to do that now? I'll remove this, suppose. By default we get underline, right, to any hyperlink. Okay. See, click here to link. Okay, so this will move to another page. A stands for anchor tag, but I don't want that underline below the hyperlink. So then I will use here, I will declare in style tag in head section A, then use curly bracket, opening, then write text decoration property, text dash decoration colon, then write none. None means this is another value of text decoration. This is applied with anchor tag because none means you don't want any line below the link, on the link. See, now this hyperlink, click on the link file, the line has been removed. See, still it will work, but only the display, that line is gone, but still link will work. I'll click here. See, I got that file. Hope you understood these practicals. You can see all the tags. Okay, so this H1 and A are only affected here. Rest another tags are not affected because I had not used any CSS style in head section. So internal style is declared in head section and it is applied only to that page. Thank you. Hope you understood. You can see output again. Thank you.